Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to download and install a WAMP server in any Windows operating system. If you are new to the channel, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get instant updates. Before going in, if you have already installed WAMP server in your machine, uninstall that and proceed with the video. Yeah, though WAMP and XAMPP do the same work, it's like North Pole and South Pole in a magnet. It also applies if you have installed any previous version of WAMP server. First, we need to download WAMP, and for that let's open any browser and search for WAMP. I am using Chrome for that, and open the first link appears. This is the official website of the WAMP server. Now if you scroll down below, you can see two buttons, which is for 64-bit and 32-bit respectively. I am using 64, so I am clicking this button to download WAMP server. And we need to read all the warnings that's mentioned in this dialog, and after you are done, just click download directly over here. At the time of recording this video, the latest version is 3.1.7 for 64-bit, which is of around 300 MB. So just click this button to download your file. As usual, I already downloaded the file, so I'm just going to cancel that. Now let's install the WAMP server. Double click the WAMP server to start the installation wizard. Now select the language that you prefer. I suggest you to read the terms and conditions which is mentioned over here, and click I accept the agreement and click next. If you read this, if you have any problem in WAMP installation, make sure that you install all these packages that is mentioned over here. And after all this, click next. If you are a beginner, don't change the installation directory, just be as it is. I am changing the installation directory because I need to. So this is how you need to change the installation directory. Now click next and click next. Make sure that your destination location is correct and click install to start the installation of WAMP server. I'll get back to you after the installation process. In this dialog, you need to choose the default browser that is used by WAMP, probably for some testing purpose. I'm not going to use Internet Explorer as my default browser. So I'm going to move on to maybe Firefox. Yeah. Here you need to give default editor for WAMP server. For now I'm going to use Notepad. Yeah. Just for now. If you have time, just read all these documents to know some concepts of how WAMP server works and click next. That's it, you have successfully installed WAMP server. Now click finish. Now let's fire up WAMP server and you see over here WAMP server is in red color, but we need WAMP server to turn to green, which means all three services are running. If you have any problem in WAMP server to turn to green, try uninstalling Skype and restarting WAMP server. For now, I'm not going to give up. So I'm going to restart all services and let's see how WAMP server reacts. If you have any other problems in installing WAMP server, just comment them down below and let me help you. Yeah, for me WAMP server shows me green signal. That's good. I hope you also get a green signal as me. If so, then congratulations. Everything's good. And one more thing. If you prefer WAMP over XAMPP, comment the reason down below. Or if you prefer XAMPP over WAMP, comment that reason too. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up if you think this video worth watching, or thumbs down if not. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care.